Hi everybody, it's MamABoondOggle here, and today I'm going to show you how to do the circle stitch. And if you know how to do the square, it's very similar to doing the square, but you're just going across instead of straight across. You're going like a diagonal way. I guess that's how you say it. But yeah, so what you're going to need for this project is 2 pieces of GIMP, like I have here. And yes, I almost smacked myself in the face with it. So yeah, I have gold and white. I love these colors together. And what you're going to do is find the centers for both of your pieces of GIMP. And I'm going to do it a different way than how I started out the square, because basically you're going to have to start the lanyard out with a square stitch. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. So you have your 2 pieces of GIMP and you have your found centers. Okay. So I'm going to take my, I'm taking white. I'm going to take my white piece of GIMP here. There we go. And basically what you're going to do is when you have it in the center, you have it out, laying out like this. Okay? And so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your other piece of GIMP and kind of like make a T with it. Or an X, whichever way you have it. And so it looks like this. So it's going across like that. Trying to make you see. Yep. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom of your white and you're going to pinch it in the center. And what you're going to do is take your white and fold it over one side. You're going to just fold it, bring it over. And then take your other side and bring that over. So you have something that kind of looks like this. Okay. And you can hold this with your middle finger and pointer finger if you want. So since you have something like this, it's separated, it's just, yeah. So now what you're going to do is you're going to always start on the closed side. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your gold piece of GIMP, or whatever piece, in my case gold, you're going to take it and bring it through the closed side. Like this, okay? And then you're going to take the other part of the gold and then bring it through the other closed sides. You're always going to go over and under. So I went over the side that the gold was on, then under, okay, under the closed side. If I can get it. To me, having it on my finger, like how I started out the square, is much easier. But I guess, I don't know, maybe some people find it easier this way. Okay, so you're going to take it off. So you should have something looking like this, forming a square. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to start pulling it together. And make sure your GIMP is straightened out. So now you have something that looks like this. So basically, again, you're taking your 2 pieces of GIMP, making a T or X, taking the strings and going on the opposite side over. Pinch them with your fingers, hold them that way. Then take your other 2 sides over that side that it's on, then under the closed side. Okay? So hopefully that helps. So make sure your square is tight, but not too tight that you would break it. Okay, so you have your star square. And now you're wondering, okay, how do I do the circle? Well, I'm here to answer that for you. It's very easy. So now you can start on whichever side. Doesn't matter where you start from. So I'm going to start with the white. And instead of bringing it straight across like this, like you would have it like this for a square, you're going to take it and basically take it to the other side. So you're going basically over your other piece of string. Hopefully you can see that. You're going, let me do the other side too, so hopefully you can see it better. So you're just going in across the diagonal way. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your other side, your gold in my case, and again, always go over, then under the closed side, and then pull it through. Also, you're going to do the same exact thing with your other side. Over, under the closed side. So you should have something like, it's similar to a square, but it's going to start turning. And hopefully you can see that when I start tightening it. So now you see you have, it's twisting a little bit. You see it's not as straight as the square would have been. So, yeah. I'll do it one more time. So, and you can see kind of how the pattern is going to be, of how diagonal is going to be. So instead of going straight, you're going to go over here, basically across the other side, over your other piece of gimp, like that. Take your string, go to the closed side, over, under, pull through, take your other piece, do the exact same thing, and go over, under the closed side, and pull through. Now what you're going to do, again, is you're going to tighten it. So here we go. You see it now, it's starting to circularize instead of squaring up. So hopefully this video has helped. I know that it's a different way than my square, so hopefully people found that more easy to do. So stay tuned, I'll have some more tutorials soon.